Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tech Wabag. Our analyst maintains buy on Tech Wabag given its strong order inflow, promising pipeline and margin tailwinds. Q1 performance was commendable on the profitability front as margin expanded and profits rose considerably. Order backlog stands at Rs 11,348 crore, which is 3.9 times TTM revenue. An order pipeline is promising across India, Russia, Middle East and other African countries. Vartech's focus on technologically advanced EP projects and increasing share of O&M contracts would improve margins, cash flow and working capital cycle. We built in revenue PAT CAGR of 20%, adjusted PAT CAGR of 24% over FY23 to FY25 earning estimates. The stock trades at an attractive price to equity of 11 times its FY24 EPS and 9 times its FY25 estimated EPS. Next on radar is AMARAJABAT batteries. Our analyst maintains buy rating on AMARAJABAT batteries with a revised price target of Rs 717 on account of expectation of healthy traction in replacement demand, 12.8% earnings CAGR over the next 2 years, opportunity to play in the Leon cell business and comfortable valuation. The company is securing the future via investing in the Leon project and deliveries from Leon project is expected to begin from FY26. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 11 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.4 times its FY25 earning estimates. Next, we have an update on KNR Construction. Our analyst maintains a buy on KNR Construction with an unchanged price target of Rs 301, considering healthy earnings growth outlook led by positive sector growth outlook. The company reported broadly inline standalone performance for Q1 driven by HAM project execution. Standalone net working capital days reduced quarter on quarter while it maintained net cash surplus position. The management retained Rs 4,000 crore standalone revenues and Rs 4 to 5,000 crore order inflow target for FY24. The operating profit margins may get negatively impacted if irrigation payments are not received timely. Its order book including recent wins remain healthy at 2.1 times TTM standalone revenues. It continues to explore for projects in state highways, irrigation, urban infrastructure, railways and metros. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on Sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.